Hello, class. Today I'll explain the difference between two pronunciations for the consonant g. When to use the G sound and when to use the K sound. In English, there are two types of G sounds, the hard G and a soft G. Did you know that? An example for a hard G would be Lady Gaga, g, g, gaga. And an example for a soft G would be giraffe, giraffe. When referring to the consonant g, we'll always be using hard G because there is a totally different, separate consonant just for the soft G sound, j. So whenever the consonant g comes at the beginning of the word, we will pronounce it and romanize it with the G instead of K. Look at example 감자, 감자. It means potato. We see the consonant g at the very beginning of the word, so we will romanize it with the G instead of k. So it is 감자, not 감자. Let's look at the second example. We see in 생각, 생각, which means thought, we spot another consonant g at the beginning of the word, 생각. So we're romanizing with a G instead of K. Let's look at the second rule now. For K sound, consonant g comes as a final consonant also called 받침. In the same word, 생각, we spot another consonant g at the very end. And we're romanizing it with the K instead of G. So it's 생각, not 생각. 생각. Another example where both cases are used is 가족, 가족, which means family. The final consonant 받침 is again k, romanized as k, so 가족 instead of 가족. And for the first consonant g, we're romanizing with the G instead of K. So 가족, not 가족. You got this.